Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Google Chrome and answering the question, what is a Chrome theme, and what is a Chrome extension? And most importantly, what sets them apart? Let's get started. First, let's talk about Chrome themes. A Chrome theme is a customized look and feel for your Google Chrome browser. It allows you to personalize your browsing experience by changing the overall design, including the background image, color scheme, and even the appearance of buttons and tabs. Think of it as giving your browser a fresh coat of paint to reflect your style and preferences. Now, moving on to Chrome extensions. A Chrome extension is a small software program that you can add to your Chrome browser. These extensions provide additional functionality, enhancing your browsing experience and adding new features. They can range from productivity tools like language translators, or note-taking apps, to entertainment-focused extensions that let you customize video playback or block spoilers on your favorite TV shows. So, what sets Chrome themes and Chrome extensions apart? Well, the key difference lies in their purpose. Chrome themes focus on the visual aesthetics of your browser, allowing you to personalize its appearance to match your style. On the other hand, Chrome extensions are all about extending the functionality of your browser, enhancing its capabilities to make your online activities more efficient and enjoyable. Chrome extensions provide practical tools and features to enhance your browsing experience. You can think of Chrome themes as the looks department and Chrome extensions as the functionality department of your Chrome browser. The best part is, both Chrome themes and Chrome extensions are easy to install and use. To change your Chrome theme, simply head over to the Chrome Web Store, browse through the wide selection of themes, and choose the one that catches your eye. With just a few clicks, you can transform the look and feel of your browser. So, whether you want to give your browser a fresh look or enhance its functionality, Chrome themes and Chrome extensions have got you covered. Personalize your browsing experience with a theme that reflects your style, and supercharge your productivity or entertainment with the right extensions. That's it for today's video. We hope this cleared up any confusion about Chrome themes and Chrome extensions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Let us know in the comments below if there's any other topic you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.